Wait, let me promise you now. If you watch this episode till the end, I will reveal to you 7 insane websites and online platforms that pay you every day. Let me tell you this. It is always possible to join the league of creative and smart individuals making serious money from the internet. I'm Usman and I'm excited to share my knowledge, experiences, and strategies to help you achieve financial freedom and build the business of your dreams. Whether you are looking to start a side hustle, grow an existing business, or learn proven money making methods, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I dive deep into topics like passive income streams, online marketing, e-commerce, investing, and so much more. So if you are tired of the 9 to 5 grind and want to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and join me on this incredible journey. Together, we'll uncover the secrets to generating multiple income streams and scaling your business and living life on your terms. Today, I'm going to talk about the ultimate game changer, making money online. Who says you need a 9 to 5 job to earn a living? I'm excited to share with you 7 insane websites and online platforms that pay you every day. So let's dive in. Here are the 7 insane websites and online platforms that pay you every day. Number one, Swagbox. You can earn cash for taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. It's like getting paid for your daily browsing habits. What are you waiting for? Try Swagbox now. 2. Fiverr. Sell your skills and services starting at just $5. Whether you are a designer, writer, or social media expert, Fiverr can help you monetize your talents. What are you waiting for? Start now. Number three website is user testing. Get paid for testing websites and apps and giving feedback on user experience. Is a win-win for both of you and the companies. So number four, inbox dollars. Earn cash for taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos is like getting paid for your downtime. What are you waiting for? Earn this money now from the internet. Number five, Survey Junkie. Another survey site that rewards you with cash and gift cards for sharing your opinion. You simply earn money by sharing your opinion. Number six is Tutor Me. If you are an expert in a particular subject, teach others and get paid for it. Tutor Me connect you with students who need your help. Number seven, Click Workers. Complete small tasks like data entry or content creation and get paid for your work. It's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these websites and platforms as mind-blowing as I do. Remember, making money online doesn't have to be complicated. With these 7 insane websites, you can earn some extra cash every day. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on making money online. See you in the next video. Bye for now.